I want to be a kid forever, and I think being creative and playing and getting to be characters and telling jokes allows you to be an artist eternally, and what sounds better than that? I'm Lilly Singh, and I am a lot of things. A YouTube creator, a producer, a writer, an actor, but most importantly, a storyteller.
Why am I so close to the camera? I'm like all up in your face. I'm like, hello, this is my video.
Today's class is about how to create content that people can connect with, and it's about the power of storytelling and how to be your authentic self, strategically sometimes.
No!
I'm really excited to teach this class because I'm a huge nerd when it comes to storytelling. I genuinely believe that stories make the world go around. It's how we understand ourselves, it's how we understand others, and social media is an incredible place to tell stories because there are no gatekeepers. Literally anyone can click upload and tell their story, and there's power to that. In this class, I'm going to be walking you through everything that goes into my creation process. From me brainstorming, coming up with the idea, scripting the idea, shooting the content, editing the content, and marketing the content. Although I got my come up on YouTube, if you have a different platform that you're passionate about, I believe these tips and tricks will help you post content anywhere on the internet and probably even beyond. I don't believe you need a lot of equipment or a lot of resources to get started. I just think you need a point of view, you need consistency, and you need the hustle. Oh, that sounded really smart. I'm gonna stop talking now. Let's get started.